Alrighty guys, so as usual my GoPro died, but don't worry, you didn't miss much. It was just a bunch of cutting and welding and grinding, and boom, we have our Smeeding S475, Smeding, however you say it, S475 turbo mounted. This thing is absolutely ridiculously big in this engine bay, but I am extremely excited. So we just have to get our intercooler. I'm ordering it tonight and it'll be here. The intercooler is going to go right here. I'm going to trim the frame rails just a little bit more, square them off, and then trim that one a little bit, peel this out just a little bit and give us room. We should be able to fit our intercooler right there. It'll be really easy, just mount it off of the frame rails and be done. And then we're going to drill a hole in the inner fender. It's a little bit dark, there you go. Drill a hole in the inner fender on each side and just, we're gonna U our turbo right into our intercooler, right out of our intercooler, and then up to the intake. Super simple, super easy. I am freaking stoked. Now we still have to plumb oil feed and oil return, and we have to do a bunch more stuff. We still need to do the crossover that is gonna go from the bottom of this manifold under the transmission up to this log style manifold that I just made. So we're not near done, but that is step one of turboing the Bug. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was an entertaining one to watch. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, commenting, interacting with me. It really helps me a lot. I'm super grateful. Don't forget to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated. We'll see you in Texas. Bye.